why you forget what you study and how to fix it. Ever spent 3 hours highlighting a textbook until it looked like a neon yellow crime scene, only to wake up the next morning with a brain as empty as a stadium after a Nickelback concert? We've all been there. You read a page, your eyes move, your brain says, yup, words, and then, poof, it's gone. You aren't bad at learning. You're just treating your brain like a sieve instead of a sponge. Today, we're fixing that. Welcome to Studying Machine. Let's turn that leaky faucet of a brain into a steel trap. Step 1. Stop being a collector. Most people study like they're collecting Pokemon cards. They gather facts, tuck them away in a folder, and never look at them again. That is passive learning, and it is the silent killer of grades. If you just read and highlight, you're telling your brain the information isn't important. To fix this, you need to try something different. Instead of rereading, close the book and ask yourself, if I had to explain this to a 5-year-old or a particularly smart golden retriever, what would I say? If you can't say it out loud, you don't know it yet. Step 2. The Ebbinghaus magic trick. Your brain has a delete button that it hits every 24 hours. It's called the forgetting curve. To bypass it, use spaced repetition. Think of your memory like a path in the woods. If you walk it once, the grass grows back. If you walk it today, tomorrow, and next week, you've got a permanent trail. Review your notes for 10 minutes tonight, 5 minutes on Friday, and 2 minutes next Tuesday. You'll spend less total time studying and actually remember the material when the exam lands on your desk. Step 3. Build a mental Velcro system. Facts are slippery. They need something to stick to. This is where encoding comes in. Don't just memorize that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Imagine the mitochondria wearing a tiny hard hat and carrying a battery. Use weird metaphors. Link new info to things you already love. Learning chemistry? Treat the elements like characters in a messy reality TV show. Carbon is the protagonist because it wants to bond with everyone. The weirder the story, the harder it is to forget. Step 4. The productive struggle. Here's a secret. If studying feels easy, you're probably doing it wrong. Real learning should feel like a mild workout for your neurons. When you struggle to remember a definition, that feeling is actually the sound of your brain getting stronger. Don't run from the struggle, lean into it. You are a learning machine by design. You just needed the right software update. Stop highlighting, start recalling, and watch your average student status disappear in the rearview mirror. Now go pick up that book and show your brain who's boss. And if you want to keep leveling up your internal hardware, hit that subscribe button for Studying Machine. Stay curious, stay sharp, and keep learning.